In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Maps if it isn't talking to you or giving you directions. At the end of this video, you should then have it working if you just follow these steps. So step number one would be to turn up the volume on your phone. It's the most obvious step, but we need to do that first and just make sure the volume's all the way up. Now, if that still doesn't work, you can go ahead and swipe out of the app. And then if you open up settings on your iPhone, you can scroll all the way down and click on apps. Here you can go ahead and then search for Google Maps. Go ahead and click on Google Maps, and then here make sure that location is enabled. So click on location and change it to while using the app or always. Make sure you've got precise location on as well, because if it doesn't know where you are, it cannot give you accurate directions, and this might be why it's not working. Now we need to reopen Google Maps. So once you've reopened Google Maps, go to your profile icon in the top right hand corner and then click on settings. Here you can then go to navigation, and then if you look here at sound and video, change it from mute to unmute. Then on guidance volume, you can just make sure that that is set to the loudest one, which is louder. And here, if you want the sound to come over your car's Bluetooth, make sure play voice over Bluetooth is enabled. And then you're going to have to go through the next step of swiping down and opening your Bluetooth settings, and then making sure you're connected to your car's Bluetooth, if that's the case. Now, if you just want the sound to come out of your phone, you can disable this and try it that way. That could be the thing that fixes it. And apart from that, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you'll see detailed voice guidance. This will give you more alerts and just give you notifications more in detail, so you can check that and then exit out of here. Now go ahead and try it by getting directions somewhere and clicking on start. And then once in the directions window, make sure that the volume button is not muted and is not red. You then should be able to hear the map talking as you drive. If it still isn't working, what I would just do is uninstall the app and reinstall it. So if you go and find Google Maps, you can just hold down on it and then go ahead and delete it. And then you would just need to go back into the App Store, and you can then go ahead and re-download Google Maps, and that maybe can help. Thank you for watching. Let me know which one fixed it in the comments below.